Hi, my name is O.W.O.R. I go to Danbury High School and I'm in the 10th grade right now. The name of this poem is called An Educated Mind. Invest in the younger generation. Make preparations. Organize us as part of the equation. We are the next leaders of our nation. Stimulate our imagination. Build a foundation on education. Praise graduation. Show us all races are beautiful and fascinating. Translation: this was the reason for his many creations. Encourage interracial relations. Teach debating and negotiating, not fighting and retaliating. An educated mind cannot be fooled, for it is not blind. An educated mind leads, it does not follow from behind. An educated mind, combined with time, advances and designs. An educated mind can be obtained by all mankind. An educated mind can still function when you retire or resign. So educate my peers, educate our minds. It is now our time to lead, to shine, to intertwine. An educated mind is prime if you don't want to be standing in line or sitting on the sidelines. An educated mind helps establish and improvises guidelines. An educated mind crosses the finish line and shows the world their sign, which proudly reads, I am an educated mind. Thank you. Written by Tahitia Foggie.